this is where my emergency brownies come in. They don't take very long and you don't need very many ingredients, but what you end up with are 2 large fudgy squares to be snaffled still warm and squidgy, straight from the tin if need be. So when your knead is great, put 50 grams of soft unsalted butter into a pan, then sprinkle over 50 grams of soft light brown sugar. Add a tablespoonful of amber maple syrup, though you could always use golden syrup. Put it on a gentle heat and give it a stir every now and then. When it's all melted, take the pan off the heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cocoa to 3 tablespoons of plain flour already in a bowl, along with 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt flakes. Mix together, then stir them into the waiting saucepan. Crack an egg into a bowl, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, then lightly whisk together. Then add this to the saucepan and stir again until everything is smoothly and glossily combined. Tip in 50 grams of chocolate chips and the same weight of walnut pieces and give everything a final stir. I always bake my emergency brownies in one of those little foil tins that looks like you've got takeaway food. Scrape every last bit of the nubbly fudgy batter into the tin and bake in an oven at 170 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, by which time the top will be just set and the edges coming away from the tin. If at all possible, and I know it's a big ask, let the brownies stand out of the oven for 20 or 30 minutes before diving in.